You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Dutch name, and we'll look at how you can say it in English as well. This Dutch politician, the leader of the Party of Freedom. In Dutch, in the Netherlands, it is pronounced as Geert Wilders. Geert Wilders. Okay, so if you cannot pronounce Dutch, you can replace the G sound with an H. So Geert Wilders. The W is pronounced like a V or almost like an F. Wilders. In English, Geert Wilders, Geert Wilders, or in Dutch again, Geert Wilders. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.